Salman Khan, does he get it easy with the law because he's Salman Khan?
Yes. All right. I completely agree with this because he's Salman Khan is a big superstar. As we all know, there are many supporters for this guy. Though he was driving, but it was being shown that the driver was driving, and he made such an image that he was not the one who did it.
It is basically because he is Salman Khan, he got away with the law so easily. I have seen many cases where a guy who has stolen just 150 rupees and he has suffered in the jail for 2 years. His father died when he was in jail and he did not get any bail. But in case of Salman Khan, he has hit a guy
yes,
who died in that accident, but he didn't get away so easily.
And that guy was just the sole owner, the sole earner of the family.
The High Court asked him to pay around 20 lakh rupees as a compensation to that guy, but he doesn't have any courtesy to even pay that money to their family.
What about the hunting thing?
Same in that case, yeah. He got away because he's Salman Khan. If I would have killed any deer, I would be behind the bars and I would not sitting over here.
But don't you think he's done a lot of good, like being human?
That is all PR activity. I have met the head PR who handles all public relation activities in our college. He told that everything before 2007, you might see that Salman Khan was a flop actor. All his movies were flop and everything. He don't know acting. He knows nothing. But because all this is a game of PR, public relation. How do we handle our public relation? This being human and all this is work of PR, public relations only.
That's all from our side. But before we conclude it, if you are a Salman Khan supporter, don't be on the road. Be careful.
Yeah.
Yes. That's it from our side.
So you're gonna stop over here. You still have time to add.
Wanna add something?
This will go against you. I'm just saying.
This is the bloody situation in our country.
Do you think he bribed the Supreme Court?
Yes. Obviously, because on a Saturday the courts are closed, but he got a bail on a Saturday. How is this possible? Any common man cannot get a bail from judge's home.
This guy earns bloody crores of rupees. He can't pay 20 lakhs. So what does that mean?
He had agreed that the car which hit that guy was his only, but he doesn't have any courtesy to even pay 20 lakhs.
Alright guys, alright, we done. Alright, cool.
As you all know, the Lady of Justice, which we can see in the court, she is tied with a black ribbon on her eyes. That means in our court, everything like the justice should be made without there should be equality.
Like he should be forgiven for the sins he had done, because moreover the sins he has done many good things for the country. Like he has started many of the trust, for example being human, and many actors as well as people support that thing, being human thing, and it has been promoted a lot.
They have kind of shows which is sponsored by Salman Khan, and the fund that comes out of it, they are for the children, for the orphanages. He also donates it, and recently I have heard that some percent of his earnings are spent on the children which are unable to fund their fees and everything. So I think karma is more important than.
Moreover the sins, he has done a lot of good things for the people around, so he should be forgiven for the 1 or 2 sins which he had done.
So even people sitting over here, some of them like Salman Khan, right? So we should forgive him for sins and everything. A human being is a character which once in his lifetime or her lifetime commits a crime, maybe serious, maybe little or something like that. But then I think sins have to be committed and have to be forgiven. So we conclude over here.
Alright, cool.
Huh.